A new tech frontier is taking shape where strategy meets silicon and partnerships turn resources into power. From critical minerals to cutting-edge industries, the Philippines is positioning itself as a key player in a high-stakes global supply chain, proving that in today's economy, those who build the chips hold the cards. Patrick De Jesus reports.
More than 1,600 hectares of an industrial hub is planned to be built in New Clark City in Tarlac for the United States Pax Silica initiative. This follows the Philippines' official participation in the Pax Silica Declaration, whose framework was inked, led by Finance Secretary Frederick Go, Ambassador Jose Manuel Romualdez, and U.S. Undersecretary of State for Economic Affairs Jacob Helberg. This is part of the Luzon Economic Corridor, which focuses on semiconductors, critical minerals, and investments in artificial intelligence or AI technology. Despite criticism from some groups, Defense Secretary Gilberto Teodoro Jr. believes in the benefits of Pax Silica for the country.
Kung pag-aralan natin yung Pax Silica na yan, it is a manufacturing and high technology endeavor. So, kung saan na nakukuha yung ideya na war-driven imposition, kalokohan yun. It is actually resilience. Kaya may gera kaya hindi, naninikip ang supply ng mga kinakailangan natin. It is an effort to join the manufacturing cycle.
Aside from the Philippines, 12 other countries are signatories to the US-led Pax Silica Declaration, which aims to strengthen the security of the silicon supply chain. Patrick De Jesus from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.